Hey guys, Stefan here with a CopyProTraders funnels update. So CopyProTraders, as you know, has introduced a new generic video. So I've added that to the front page of our funnel. So as you can see here, let's play that.
Are you a professional cryptocurrency trader? No.
You'll notice what I've done. I've just taken the branding off the back and front of it just so that we obviously keep it on the download who it is initially, and then people will really want to opt in and find out who the company is. They click on banner, they put their details in, we just pop in some details, and you'll see on the next page, which is really cool, is the interactive presentation. So we have now an interactive presentation that starts with Antoine's video.
Hi, my name is Antoine McVeigh.
You can see here. Pause that and we'll skip to the end.
To the next level now.
And up pops a interactive layer saying click to watch webinar or watch trading proof. So we'll click to watch webinar. And now it goes straight into the CopyProTraders webinar. However, what it does, if we go to the end, it only shows up to the end of the information about the trading. So it doesn't actually show anything to do with the comp plan. So what I've done, I've given two options here. You can watch a short comp plan or a full comp plan, which is the end of that same webinar. Or you can go to the trading proof. So if we go over to trading proof, you'll see Jeremy's video here, which has all his trading proof here. We'll just scroll forward.
That's me missing 2 weeks so far. So now this will be my a full month in here, just letting it do its thing. We're averaging about 2.67% gain. We've had 50 trades since the 29th. Overall, I'm loving it.
So that'll stop after the trading proof, and you'll see here somebody can go and check out the short comp plan or the full comp plan we talked about before, or they can click on getting started. So what we'll do is just go to the short comp plan, which is the company.
A CopyProTraders monthly subscription is $99. Of that $99, we pay out over 74.
Alright, so that's the company one, and we go to the end of that video as well, and there's an overlay that says get started or get more information. Alright, so the get more information allows you to sort of go over to, if we just click on this one, it goes to the same page, but it has a video that says get in touch today, and you'll notice that down the bottom it's the same page as the getting started. So you'll click on get in touch, and that'll take them over to Facebook Messenger. And if they click on this one, the original form that comes up with all the questions is there. So it asks for their phone number as well, so we're going to start integrating some text messaging if you decide you want to use that. If not, you won't need to use that, but as you can see, it's the same flow as before, and the interactive video really works nicely. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and with CopyProTraders, if you decide you wish to join our team directly with me through my link below this video, we'll give you a copy of this. If not, the link to the funnel is right below. Chat soon. Thanks.